Hi, I'm experienced trademark attorney Morris Turek. You probably stumbled across this video while searching for a Kansas City trademark attorney to assist you with a particular trademark matter. My trademark law firm is actually located straight down I-70 in the gateway city of St. Louis, Missouri. But I help people just like you every day, regardless of whether they live 5 miles or 10,000 miles away from my office. In fact, since 2005, I've been blessed to serve thousands of amazing people located all throughout the United States and on almost every continent. That includes amazing people who live in the great city of fountains and barbecue capital of the world, as Kansas City is often referred. Now, I assume you were searching for a Kansas City trademark attorney because you're located in that part of Missouri. But did you know that you have other options, especially if you're seeking professional assistance with a trademark search or filing a trademark application with the United States Patent and Trademark Office? Allow me to explain a little more. Although you may live in the western portion of Missouri, or your business may be headquartered in the KC area, you're not legally required to hire a Kansas City trademark attorney to help you with anything related to searching or registering a trademark with the USPTO. There's absolutely nothing stopping you from hiring an attorney located in any one of the 50 states, and there's certainly nothing preventing you from working with a trademark attorney located just across the state. Why? Because trademark registration is governed by federal law, not Missouri law. All of the USPTO's rules, regulations, and procedures apply equally to every single attorney throughout the nation. Put simply, you gain no legal advantage by working with a local attorney versus an attorney located elsewhere. So what does this mean for you? Well, it means that you can focus on the things that really matter when selecting a trademark attorney. Things like experience, reputation, affordability, transparency, a proven track record, and just finding someone you're comfortable with and who understands what you're trying to accomplish. Now, whether it would still be in your best interest to hire a Kansas City trademark attorney is a question only you can answer. And that answer should be based exclusively on your individual preferences and your particular trademark issue. Yes, there are some situations where retaining a local attorney would probably make a lot of sense. For instance, if you were unfortunately sued for trademark infringement in a state or federal court located in the KC area, it would probably be cheaper, easier, and more efficient to hire a local attorney to represent you. Similarly, if you had an unusual or very complex issue that may require regular face-to-face meetings with an attorney, that may also be a good reason to limit your search to the Kansas City area. But as explained earlier, all matters having to do with federal trademark registration from start to finish can be handled by any trademark attorney so long as that attorney is licensed to practice in at least one state. It's also extraordinarily rare that you would ever need to have an in-person meeting with your attorney either before or after your trademark application is submitted. It may sound kind of funny, but I've actually never met about 95% of my clients. Of course, we routinely talk on the phone and exchange emails. We sometimes have a video conference, and we're often connected on social media. This is even true for my local clients, who could easily come meet me, but who are undoubtedly busy with their own lives and are perfectly happy with electronic communications and telephone calls. Again, my name is Morris Turek, and you can learn more about my background and experience by visiting my website at yourtrademarkattorney.com. Although I'm not a Kansas City trademark attorney, I efficiently and affordably serve entrepreneurs, businesses, and nonprofit organizations located throughout the Kansas City metropolitan area. Regardless of whether you reside in beautiful Kansas City proper or in one of its many wonderful suburbs, I promise you'll receive the same prompt and personal attention as you would if you were located next door to my office in St. Louis. I look forward to hearing from you soon.